he's right, but I can't just let him walk past me like this. I must defeat him.
Gentlemen and YouTube, it's your boy the Marster, and today for my first tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to talk in your head just like anime. Okay, first gotta get out of here. Okay, first of all, this tutorial is only for iPhone users. I don't know about Android. Sorry, Android. Okay, for iPhone users, GarageBand, you need that app. So you see, I already have my own voice in here. But how do you do that? You go to these three little squares. Okay, and then you go to auto recorder, press more sound, go all the way down to fun, and then go to extreme tuning, hit done. Like hit extreme tuning, my bad. Okay, first you put your pitch control all the way off, and then your space all the way on, so it can get like that echo effect or that space effect. As an example, wait, before you like record your voice, make sure this thing right here that I tapped on was blue. Make sure it's gray, just like that. Make sure it's gray, and then press the record button. And here goes the sample.
But I know he's right, but I can't just let him walk past me like this.
Okay, so it's two ways how to save that recording. You can screen record, just slide up on your iPhone if it just, oh god, if it just let me. Okay, there we go. And then you tap on this red button that is like blinking right there. Once you tap it, it's gonna have a timer of three seconds. 1, 2, 3. And when that stops, you slide down and just, you don't have to really like slide down, it's just a sound. If you like doing a video, you're gonna have to slide down and, just let it be. Okay, now, the iMovie right here. And then you go to your video and wait, okay. Then, sorry, I lost train of thought. Then, you click on the plus sign right here, you go to video, and then you can go on your voice recorder.
I know he's right, but I can't just let him walk past me like this.
Okay, and then you press on the three little buttons, you hit audio only, and it'll just jump right there. But I don't need this, I already did it already. But this is a sample. This video is kind of cringy, a little bit, but
You are a fool.
Then what did I do? I used somebody else's phone, and then I voice record. And then I will voice record my voiceover. And then I act it out. Then I mute my clip I'm acting out of. And yeah, that's it. And if you're by yourself, my best answer would be to act it out and then like put the sound in there, but make sure it's like on the right place that you want it to be. Like the whole movement thing is on the right track. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that will be all. If you all really enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. Hit that bell if you want some more videos of me. And have a great day and stay safe at home. Peace.